Don't mind me. I am the roommate of Acidic Roots, and I had to jump in on this belching. Couldn't have been, I don't think we would have been the same if I hadn't. So, once again, welcome to Belch Montage IV. That's right. The culprit. So, dogs like to bark at the moon. I've got something for you. Morning, sunshine. You saw my roommate. Now it's my turn. I'm doing the Beatles thing. Half of my face a shadow.